So in today's class, we will see the length and its units with conversions. Okay. So first, let me write one thing, that is SI unit for this length is meter. SI unit is meter and it is denoted by m. Okay. So how to convert centimeter to meter or millimeter to meter or even micrometer to meter? Let's see. So first, I'm taking from centimeter to meter. So 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Okay. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So can I write like this? 1 meter is equal to, this is 100 centimeter. So can I write like this? 10 into 10. Hai. This is 10 power 1, 10 power 1. So 1 meter is equal to how much? Bolo bolo. 10 square. Hai. 10 power 2 centimeter. Now if I am transferring this here, 1 meter divided by 10 power 2 is equal to how much? 1 centimeter. Now this is at denominator. When I am transferring at numerator, what you will get? Bolo.
10 power minus 2.
Therefore 1 centimeter is equal to 10 power minus 2 meter. है ना? तो हमें बॉक्स में क्या रखना है? देखो, here in a box what I am keeping, one meter is equal to 10 power 2 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 power minus 2 meter. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Next is millimeter to meter. Okay. What is next? Millimeter to meter. How to convert this millimeter to meter or even meter to millimeter? So let's see here. Tell me, 1 meter is equal to how many millimeter?
1000.
1000 millimeter. है ना? Or
1
else
meter
if
is
you,
equal to 10 power 3 mm.
or even you can, if you see here, can I write like this? Even I can write like this also. See, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and this is equal to 100 into this 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Hai na? So this is equal to how much now? 1000 millimeter. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. And therefore, this 1 meter is equal to 1000 means how much rate? 10 into 10 into 10. Hai na? 10 into 10 into 10. So 1 meter is equal to 10 power how much? 1 10 power 3 millimeter.
3.
So now this I am transferring here. So 1 by 10 power 3 meter is equal to 1 millimeter. Now tell me 1 millimeter is equal to how much?
10 power minus 3.
10 power minus
10 power minus 3.
10 power minus 3 meter. And therefore again I am making one box here. See, one meter is equal to 10 power 3 millimeter and 1 millimeter is equal to 10 power minus 3 meter.
Minus 3.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So just take this screenshot or else write down now only. Take screenshot or else write down now only.
Done, sir.
Okay. Let's move ahead. Now next one. Now so many times we are getting area they will give, hai na? And we have to convert it into meter square, but we will confuse or we will not able to do this. So let's see how to do. Yes. This is slide number 2. Okay, length finished. Okay, one more I am taking, that is micrometer. Hai na? This first was centimeter to meter, then millimeter to meter, and next is micrometer. Hai na? Micrometer to meter. So micro means what? Micro means always 10 power. How much?
6.
Minus a plus a.
Plus 6.
So 1 meter is equal to 10 power plus 6 micrometer, and therefore 1 micrometer is equal to 1 by 10
10
power
minus
6
minus 10
meter.
power minus 6.
So 1 micrometer is equal to how much?
10 power minus 6 meters.
Okay, so micrometer you got, millimeter you got, and centimeter also you understood. Everyone understand? Shall I repeat
Yes,
once?
sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
This everyone understood, or shall I repeat once this part?
No need, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay, right. So let's see some examples orally you have to say. Now let me see how many of you will answer properly. Okay. Question number 1. 23 micrometer is equal to dash dash into 10 power minus 6 meter. What it should come here?
23.
23.
Yes, no, 23, yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
23, okay. Second one. Suppose now 112 millimeter is there. This is equal to how many in centimeters, right? Tell me. Do it yourself and tell me.
120.
12 into 10 to the power of 3 centimeter.
12 into 10 power minus
Sir,
1.
120
minus
centimeter.
1 centimeter.
minus 1. Minus 1, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Plus 1, sir.
Yes, sir.
Plus
No,
1.
minus 1. Minus 1, sir.
Minus 1.
12 into 10 to the power minus 1. How? See here. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. You have to understand this. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 by 10 centimeter is equal to 1 millimeter. When it is going up, 10 power minus 1 centimeter is equal to millimeter. And that's why at this place of millimeter, what I have substituted 10 power minus 1 centimeter. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear,
sir.
hai? Always try to understand properly. Okay. Third one. See. If suppose I have given like this 130 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter? Re bolo bolo.
13 into 10 power 2.
113 to 10 power 1.
130 into
13 into 10 power 2.
13 into 10 power 2.
okay, 13 into 10 to the power 2 or even 130 into 10 to the power 1 millimeter. Hai na? Why? Because you see what this is centimeter to millimeter. So positive power. Always keep it in mind. Bigger to smaller units. Already I told. Bigger to smaller unit. When you are going from bigger to smaller unit, positive power, hai na? Positive power.
Physics.
And when you are going from smaller to bigger, then
లోపల 56 ఉంది
smaller to
మరి
bigger. क्या होगा?
Negative power.
Negative power. Yes, no? Negative power. याद रखो. So this is 130 into 10 to the power 1 millimeter. Next one, suppose we are having like this example, something like this. 36 meter is equal to how many millimeter? Bolo bolo.
36 into 10 power
36 into 10 power 3.
36 into 10 power
36 into 10
Yes, yes, very good. So 36 into 10 to the power 3 millimeter. Yes, right. Sir, but how to convert kilometer to meter? Do you know how to convert kilometer to meter also? 1 kilometer is equal to how many
It is equal
meters?
to 10
1000
power
meters.
meters. 1 meter
1000
is equal
meters.
to minus
Ah,
3
1 kilometer
kilometers.
is equal to 1000 meter. And therefore 76 kilometer is equal to how much?
76,000.
6 into 10 to the power of 3
meters.
76 into 10 to the power 3 meter. Always keep it in mind. In terms of 10 to the power only, you have to keep. Clear? Eh? Yes, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this always you keep it in mind. Whatever I have denoted here, this side, or whatever I wrote here, you just note down that part also. Take the screenshot. Later you have to write and see. You maintain one spiral binding notebook and white sheets of A4 size paper, so that that notebook will be useful for even second year also you can use, or after second year also, whatever the both contents are coming, no, for JEE or any competitive exam. Yes. So either MSET or JEE, these notes are important later, whatever we are learning now. Okay. So maintain good notebook and write down from class 1. Okay. Clear? Hai?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
take screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Yes, finished.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, very interesting term. Now it is area. So how to convert millimeter square area into meter square, centimeter square area into meter square, how to convert area into SI unit. This is also very, very important in problem solving. Listen carefully. This is slide number 3. Okay. Now listen carefully. Listen carefully. Okay. See here. Now area. What is SI unit area?
meter square.
SI unit of area is meter square, है ना? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So see here. Suppose now first one I am taking, that is centimeter square to meter square. Centimeter square to meter square. How to convert? So 1 centimeter square is nothing but 1 into, this is centimeter means how many rate? 10 power minus 2 meter whole square. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What I did see, already we know now 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, that is equal to 10 power 2 centimeter. Listen carefully. If I am transferring here, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 power minus 2 meter, because this is going to be at denominator. Already we have discussed this. So just at the place of this centimeter, just at the place of this centimeter, I have substituted this value, okay, and square is as it is. So tell me now how much it is. 1 centimeter square is equal to how much?
10 power
1
minus
into
10 to
10
the
power
power
minus 4.
minus 2 meter.
Minus 4
meter
meter
square.
square.
Meters.
Understood? Suppose they are giving like this, 1 millimeter square, 1 millimeter square. Then who will tell me 1 millimeter square to meter square how to convert? Bolo bolo. 1 millimeter square is equal to 1 into
10
what
power
means,
minus
10 power minus 6.
10
10
power
power minus
minus 3 meter
whole square.
whole square.
whole square.
Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
One into 10 power minus 3 meter whole square. So this is equal to 1 millimeter square is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square, and therefore 1 millimeter square is equal to 10 power minus 6 meter square. So always keep it in mind how to convert. Wherever millimeter is there, you just substitute the meter value and then square it. Okay,
Okay, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Take
Yes, sir.
screenshot. Take screenshot.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next one. This is very important, how to shift decimal point. Okay. And this is our slide number 4, I think, right?
Yes, sir.
Listen, very, very important, how to shift decimal point by raising 10 power. By raising 10 power. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Yes. So see, now suppose any number is there. See here, step 1, what to do. This is just for your understanding. Write down the given number. What to do? Concentrate. Write given number. For example, I have written like this: 109. Write given number, that is 109. Next, step 2. Step 2. Either shift left side or right side decimal places. How to shift? See, how many decimal points you have to shift. You have to shift towards left of actual decimal point. That number should be 10 power. What I wrote, see, how many decimal points you have to shift towards left of actual decimal point. That number should be 10 power. For example, see, 109 is actual number and decimal point is here. I want to shift how many decimal place? This is 1 and suppose 2. How many? I have shifted 2 decimal places. How many? 2 decimal
2.
places. So can I write like this now? See here. 1.09 into 10 to the power 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or else even I can, yes, that's it. This only you write. Or else your common method 109 is equal to, I can write like this also, 1.09 into 100. Yes or no? Which is you are getting actual number, and that's
Yes,
why
sir.
1.09 into 10 to the power 2. Yes or not? Clear
Yes, sir.
hai? Yes.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
keep step number 3. Step number 3, you see, if I want to shift this side decimal place, how many decimal points? How many? Switch off the video. Who has turned on? Here. How many decimal points? How many decimal points you have to, or you want to shift? You want to shift. You want to shift towards right side, towards right side of actual decimal point. That number with negative sign, should be 10 power. For example, see here, I am taking the same example again. I am having number 109 and this is decimal point. So I want to shift this decimal point somewhere here because these are the zeros now. Nothing means zeros. So now how many decimals? This is left. This is which side? Right side. And now this is which side? Left side. I want to shift this decimal where? Right side now. How many? Let us suppose 1, 2, and 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. So can I write like this? 109, 1, 2, 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
So always
Yes,
keep it in
sir.
mind.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
actual number should be like that only, and that's why this is what the standard value like this we have to use in the mathematics or any expressions. Clear hai? Take this screenshot.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can we interchange them? Sir, instead of writing 109,000 into 10 power minus 3, can we write 109 into 10 power 3?
109 into
10 power 3, sir.
where?
Sir, in the second example.
In second example, you want to write 109 into 10 to the power?
Sir, can we write it like that, sir?
In the exam, I did not get you. Please ask again.
Sir, if instead of, sir, in the second example, you wrote 109,000 into 10 to the power of minus 3, sir.
Okay. So, after that what?
Sir, instead of that, can we shift the decimal places to the left and write it positive?
Array, anywhere you shift, this
Or
is
do
just
something
example.
like
You see, this is the standard value. We have to
Yes,
round
sir.
up, we have to shift like this decimal point. This is just, I told one example. If you want to shift this side, okay.
Yes, sir.
If you want to shift this side, you just raise the power in negative number. This is standard one. We have to shift always like this only, 1 decimal after and 10 power, so that it
Yes.
is easy for calculation. No need to go for this method. But just this is for your understanding, or if you somehow or anywhere you want to use this, then you can use this also. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If you want to shift this side or that side, both side I told. This side means positive power. This side means negative power. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So यहाँ पे मैं एक box, I am keeping one box here. Just see. So this is a number. This is decimal point. DP means decimal point. And this is what right side. And this red one you can see. This is left side. So I am writing here R, yes. Right side. And this is left side. So if you are going towards this side, 10 power which? How? 10 power negative. 10 power
Minus.
negative. है ना? Negative. And this side means red one means 10 power
Positive.
positive. Always keep it in mind. Understand? Is that
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
I will give you one more assignment on this shifting of decimal area, and this you have to solve. Will you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Take the
Yes, sir.
screenshots. Take the screenshot for this also. Yes, taken.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So let's stop here for today. And I am sending one link also, YouTube link. If anyone has missed the class, you can watch it later. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Have
you,
a
sir.
great day.
Thank
Enjoy
you,
the
sir.
day. Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye,
you,
sir.